Welcome students to the revision series of class 4. Today I will share a revision test on money. Now before I begin, I request you all to like the video. And I hope clicking on that thumbs up brings good luck to you. Here there are different categories. First is fill in the blanks. Question 1. A. There are dash 50 paise in 2 rupees. B. 4 10 rupees and 1 50 rupees is equal to dash rupees. C. 1 500 rupee note, 300 rupee note and 10 coins of 5 rupees is, you have to tell what is the total amount going to be. Students, please pause the video wherever required and do the next question only after you have finished the previous one. Second question is convert. A. 72 rupees 50 paisa into rupees. You have to convert this amount into rupees. B. 72 rupees 50 paise into paise. C. 725000 paise into rupees. Next we come to the category of multiple choice questions or MCQ. Here you will get 4 options and you will have to choose the correct option. Question 3. Add 59 rupees 25 paise and 30 rupees 75 paise. This could come in the form of multiple choice or in the form of a normal addition question. The steps that you will do are going to be same. It is just that in case of a multiple choice question, you will be doing the calculation in the rough. And in case of a normal regular question, you will be doing the same calculation in the fair. So you have to basically add these two numbers and then choose the correct answer from the 4 options given here. Question 4. Subtract 81 rupees 50 paise from rupees 100. Here, do the subtraction and then choose the correct option from the 4 options given. Question 5. Multiply 17 rupees 62 paise by 13. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Question 6. Divide 275 rupees 44 paise by 22. Choose the answer from the 4 options given here. Question 7. Aman bought 8 toffees for 96 rupees. What is the cost of 1 toffee? So, cost of 8 toffees is given to you. You have to find the cost of 1 toffee. And then choose the correct answer from the 4 options given below. Now, this is kind of a word problem question given to you in the form of MCQ. You could get word problems in this form also, where you will be doing all the calculation in the rough, only selecting the correct answer. And you could even get word problems in the regular form, where the word problem question is given to you and you have to write each and every step and solve the question. Let's look at that example. Question 8. Anjali bought 8 dresses for rupees 4896.80. Find the cost of 1 dress. So, cost of 8 dresses is given to you. You have to find the cost of 1 dress. Identify which of the basic operations you will use and then do it. Question 9. Cost of 1 pen is rupees 23.50. Find the cost of 17 such pens. In this question, cost of 1 pen is given to you and you have to find the cost of 17 pens. Question 10. Tanisha bought a book for rupees 250 and a pen for rupees 23.50. She gave a 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. What amount will the shopkeeper return to her? Now this is the last question and here you will be using more than one kind of the basic operations. Let us just have a look at this question. The cost of book is given, the cost of pen is given. Then you will calculate the total bill. In the question it is told that she gave a 500 rupee note. Then you will have to find out what balance will be returned to her. Now you know the total bill and she gave a 500 rupee note. Based on these two informations, you will find out what balance will be returned by the shopkeeper. Now students, you can pause the video here. Whichever question you feel you have a doubt, go back, look at the calculations, solve it again if required, and once you are fully satisfied, continue and see the video. These are the answers to the questions that you have just done. Please check your work, and wherever your answer is not tallying with the answer on the screen, please recheck your work. Do the question again. Try and correct yourself. the remaining answers? Students, do remember to like this video and let me know in the comment section how many questions did you get correct.